Okay, let's check it back.
So I'd put it on my shoulder.
Yeah, one hide behind Alex.
Mikey, run back quicker this time. A shovel?
A shovel?
Are you expecting a death? There's a canal at back, just dump them in there. Sorry, there's some bodies at canal in it.
Yeah.
It's alright then. So some fish or something to eat, it's recycling. Where's Amy?
She's run away. She's there.
Don't want to see it.
It's alright, as long as she's safe.
She don't want to see her.
Don't worry, Amy, he'll be alright.
Mikey's face coming
If
off.
he dies, I'll write a eulogy. I know your literature skills aren't that good. Dear Mikey, you died in a firework mistake. That'd be so funny. Not dying, obviously. Scott! I don't trust you with the explosives.
I don't trust you near anything.
Go on, gay Ahmed, get back. Run! Run! Sit. Go.
I'll go.
Jesus, mother! I've been sprayed in shit again! Yes!
Gemma ran inside.
Like a girl.
That was awesome. Oh, I've got stuff in my hair.
Debris all over it. You scream like a girl. Because apparently they can scream.
It won't scream like a girl.
Bye.